everybody, it's me, Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video is just going to be a quick little chit chat. I'm going to be telling you guys why I haven't been uploading so much, what's been going on, and please don't give up on me is basically what this video is about. I'm just going to start off by saying thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. It means so much to me, and every time I don't upload or another day goes by that I miss a video, I feel so bad for letting you guys down, because that's what I feel like. I'm just letting you guys down when I don't have a video to upload. The problem is I made a video a long time ago, well over a year ago I want to say, of how I kind of struggle with a little bit of depression, anxiety, and panic disorder. And I know a lot of people in this world do. It's a very common thing nowadays. And sometimes it's mostly in the winter, and you could even say it's that seasonal affective disorder or SAD. But in the winter, I'm just not as motivated. I'm a little bit more sad than usual, and my mind works overtime, which kind of increases the anxiety levels. This winter has been much worse, just because I know some of you know I've talked about my dog, Smokey. He's an older dog. He's 11 years old. He's a Husky Shepherd mix. We've had him for 11 years going on. He's not doing so good. And, you know, their life expectancy is really only 11 years. But I'm just not sure. He's been pretty sick. We can't take him in the car anywhere. So we couldn't take him to the vet because literally we were afraid that he would have a heart attack or just stress out and die in the car, just from being in a car ride. He's never liked being in the car. He's always had extreme anxiety over that. It being the holidays, it was really hard to find a vet to come to the house. But as soon as the holidays were over, we were able to find a vet to come to the house, which was easier on Smokey. She came and she's very lovely, and she did some blood work and, you know, all the exam, everything, just to try to figure out what was going on with him. He was very badly anemic, and we didn't actually know why he was anemic because, you know, there was no signs of him like physically bleeding anywhere. He didn't have fleas, so we ruled that out right away. But it turns out that he probably has an ulcer or a tumor or something in his intestines that is bleeding, and that's where he's losing a lot of the blood. She put us on, she told us to give him iron supplements, and we gave him antibiotics. He's starting to actually get better. He's more energetic. He wants to eat more now. He's just up and moving better. But he's still anemic. So the bleeding hasn't stopped. So though he doesn't show that he's in pain or he's not being lethargic anymore, the question that we all have to ask ourselves as pet owners when our pets are sick or at the, you know, the age that they are, the older, is what is the right thing to do. So we've been struggling with it because we don't know what to do, and that has caused a lot of anxiety for us, me personally, because I already have health anxiety really bad, and I overanalyze and overthink everything, so it's just been really, it's been really hard. And that's all I can, there's so many more adjectives and words to describe how it feels, but at the end of the day, it's just, it's saddening, it's exhausting, it's depressing, and it's really hard. So my mind has been overwhelmed with that thought alone. Just my dog. I mean, it sounds so small and so not a big deal, but my mind has just been working overtime on taking care of my dog and trying to make him better, but yet knowing that I can't. Like, I'm out of control when it comes to making him better. So the reason I haven't been uploading is, for one, it's hard to come and sit in front of a camera and act like everything is just a-okay. And I always want to be in a good mood because I want other people to be in a good mood. And I know sometimes bad moods or just depressing moods can be kind of contagious. So I just want to be up, I want to be happy, I want to be joyous, and I want to be that for you guys. So I don't want you guys to feel bad or feel sorry. I'm not doing this for any type of sympathy. I just wanted to let you know why I haven't been uploading, because I could upload a video every day, Would it be sincere or genuine? No, it would be totally fake. And I never want to be fake on my channel, ever, never. I know we all have bad days and people go to work every day when they're not having great days and they're going through stuff at home. But the benefit and I guess the kind of bonus of working from home is I can kind of take those mental health days, if that's what you want to call them. And that's exactly really what they are, is you're just giving your mind time to just get back to where it needs to be. So I just wanted to let you guys know that is why I have not been uploading videos. My heart just isn't in it. I'm not feeling I've just kind of lost my whole creative aspect because my mind is so overwhelmed with other things that there's just really no time to be creative. I can tell you though that it is going to get better and I'm going to be uploading more frequently. I do have so many videos that I want to make, but again, I want to do them when I'm in the right state of mind so I can be real with you guys. I do have what I got for Christmas. Mostly it was just gift cards, and you know what I spent those gift cards on. If you can't guess, well, then I don't know. But you should be able to guess what I spent all the gift cards on. I have a lot of things I want to share with you guys, a lot of different designs and tutorials I want to do. I'm still working on getting this space made the way I want to have it. I'm going to be getting a table, so I will be able to do more tutorials for you. I was using this table here for a while, but it's just not big enough, and it's very wobbly and old. It's like antique-ish, so it doesn't work really well for making tutorials. I think that's all I wanted to say. Again, thank you guys so much for just hanging out and sticking by me. I know there's quite a few of you that have just been here since the very beginning when I started this channel, and you are still with me. So I cannot thank you guys enough, and for everyone else who has recently subscribed, I promise my channel is not always going to be this way. I have a lot of things planned, a lot of things that I want to do, and I'm going to do them one way or another. I might not get to them as soon as I would like, but I'm going to get to them eventually. That's all. That's all I wanted to say, you guys, is I promise I'm going to be back in the swing of things here shortly. Just got to give me a few minutes, I know not minutes, but a little while to get my head right because I'm not in the right space to do anything creative, but I'm going to get there. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Again, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for just being there and words of encouragement. A lot of you have sent me messages or just left comments, and I appreciate that so much. I do read them all, and I just appreciate you guys. So in a way, you guys help me so much. You keep me going, honestly, is maybe cheesy as that may sound. You guys do. You keep me going, because it would be very easy to give up, but I have so many people now that I don't want to let down. So thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos, and I promise it's going to get better. We'll just see where it takes us. But until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, guys. Bye.